How to find the Watch Later playlist on YouTube. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find the Watch Later playlist on YouTube. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first step is open up your YouTube. After you open up your YouTube, simply scroll and just find something that you like that you want to add on your watch later. So I'll just add this to my watch later. So I'll just tap on the three dots and then tap on save to watch later. Now after you tap it, you will see list. You can tap on that to head over to the watch later playlist as well. But let's get back here and then simply tap on the U option that is on the bottom right. Tap on U and now you're on your profile. Now under here, you should see the playlist section. Now under playlist, you will find all of the playlists that you have on your YouTube that you have created, and one of them will be the Watch Later playlist. Now you can tap on the Watch Later playlist, and there you will see the list of videos that you have added on Watch Later. And yeah, that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.